You probably heard people in seminars or business conferences tell you, you should use generative AI. Lagyan natin ng AI yung marketing mo. But the honest question is, what exactly is generative AI and what can it really do for your business? You might think it's a hype, but it's not. It helps your team create marketing materials, sales content, and reports faster without starting from scratch. I'm Jerry Ilaw, the co-founder of Ulearn and Tarki, and the founding president of the Philippine AI Business Association. And in the next few minutes, I'll explain it in plain English using a beauty product example. We'll cover three things. First, what it is, how it works, and then what can it really do for your business. So ano nga ba ang generative AI? Well, generative AI is that AI that creates new content, whether that's text, images, audio, or video, based on patterns it learned from massive data. You know, yung mga traditional AI systems usually analyze data. So ito yung mga narinig natin that predicts sales or kaya detects fraud. But generative AI goes further. It creates new content. Think of generative AI as a very smart junior staff assistant. So you give instructions and then it gives you a first draft. Note, hindi final, but fast. So let's imagine you're a nationwide beauty product distributor launching a new brightening serum. So you're targeting Watsons, SM Beauty, Mercury Drug, department store counters, TikTok shops, and Shopee. So normally, you would need marketing to draft product captions and brand messaging, design to create in-store posters and mall standees, sales to prepare trade letters for Watsons and SM buyers, and maybe an agency to produce TikTok influencer videos. Now, imagine you tell your AI assistant, create a summer glow campaign for our new brightening serum. Target women 18 to 30, premium but approachable, Taglish. In seconds, it produces text that contains product descriptions for your Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok shop, email invites to Watsons and SM Beauty buyers, Viber blast scripts to provincial resellers, promo mechanics drafts for mall activations. So, grabe, di ba? Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or Microsoft Copilot can draft these in seconds. Now, you might think, text lang ba ang kaya ng generative AI? Well, pwede rin images. So that could mean a digital poster layout for what's on shelves, maybe Instagram and TikTok ad creatives, a mock-up of your serum displayed in SM Beauty, and a summer-themed visual for Lazada sale. So, ano yung mga tools na pwede mong gamitin dito? Well, there's a lot. So there's Midjourney, Canva AI, Nano Banana of Gemini. There's also Adobe Firefly or ChatGPT image generation. So you can use these platforms to create these visuals. So aside from text, images, you can also create audio. So maybe that's a 20-second radio ad for Love Radio or kaya Barangay LS, and an in-store announcement for SM Department Store beauty section, or kaya a voice-over for a TikTok product demo. So there are tools like 11 Labs, Murph AI, Play HT, or Descript that can generate realistic Filipino or Taglish voiceovers. So meron ka ng text, images, and audio. You can also create videos with generative AI. So that could include a TikTok influencer style campaign concept, a 30-second ad story for Facebook and Instagram, a script for an AI spokesperson explaining Glow in 7 days benefits, or maybe a last live product demo script. So you can use tools like Google VO3, Sora, Runway, Kling, or Picalabs to help you generate these videos. You know, that assistant who can instantly generate content for Watsons, SM, TikTok Shop, or kaya yung mga Lazada or provincial distributors? That's generative AI. And it's not magic. It's pattern-based creation at scale and at speed. So, what does this mean for you? Well, if you are a nationwide beauty distributor, your team can generate product descriptions for hundreds of SKUs, from serums to sunscreens to lip tints and maybe foundations across Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok Shop, and maybe your own e-commerce store. It can also draft personalized emails to Watsons, SM, Beauty, Mercury Drug, and department store buyers, create promo posters and shelf talkers for mall counters without organizing a full photo shoot. Alam naman natin kung gaano kamahal ang isang photo shoot. And it can also produce influencer campaign briefs and ad scripts for TikTok and Instagram quickly, and then summarize field sales reports from different regions into a one-page executive update. Grabe, di ba? Those are just some examples of how generative AI can help your business. So instead of starting from a blank page, your team starts from version 1. And that dramatically increases how much they can produce without increasing headcount. That is very important now because, as you know, di ba, ang hirap din maghanap ng mga employees. So, next time someone says, gamit tayo ng generative AI, well, you can confidently say that generative AI is that AI that creates new content, whether that's text, images, audio, or video, based on the patterns it learned from massive data. So that means that we can generate faster drafts for marketing and sales materials. Hindi lang yon, you can also create SOPs, you can also create policies, mga HR policies, etc. But of course, we still need human review before anything goes live. So, if you want a simple one-page cheat sheet of the top AI terms every Filipino executive should know, check the link below. Use it with your leadership team so everyone speaks the same language. Now that you understand generative AI, the next natural question is, if it was trained mostly on public data, how do we make sure it uses our own contracts, sales reports, and internal documents? Well, that's where RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, comes in. I break it down in this next video. So click it now to continue demystifying AI. Again, this is Jerry Ilaw, the co-founder of Ulearn and Tarki, and the founding president of the Philippine AI Business Association. See you in the next video.